Welcome and thank you for joining us on taking a view of this short demo for Firestorm CAD created by 3D Space Pro. What you see here is your basic interface for Firestorm CAD, where you have various tools to be able to create custom pieces from scratch. Now, apart from being able to create custom pieces from scratch, we also have a library template where you're able to take already made pieces and place them together in order to create a custom design. We have anything from accessories and bands to complete wedding sets, as well as separate heads and shanks that you're able to work with and modify. Now, apart from having these already made pieces, we have a very new feature added that's called Create Process Image. Now, what this does is it automatically traces images for you. So I have a basic signet ring here, and if I come into File, I can select my logo of my tree, select Open. I'm going to wrap my image around my design, and I can place this on the top as well. And as you can see with wrap image, it'll go on any surface. Go ahead and place my image. Now if I select my image, come into Jewelry tab, you'll see that my process image becomes active. I can now go ahead and select process image. As you can see, it traced it out. Select OK, and now what it's going to do is it's going to create those into splines for me to work with. If I go ahead and turn off my ring and turn off my actual image, you can see I now have splines to work with. So I can take these, fill them in, and create my thickness that I want to see, or I can cut this out of my solid as well, depending on what I want to see for my design. Okay, now other than the great features as far as already made library pieces and this process image, I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit of how you can freehand some of your custom design work. Now we do have a great tool called Spline, and this is a tool that you would use in order to freeform or free shape any design that you'd like. We create thicknesses on this as well. And now the reason why I'm creating this is to show you the way our stone layouts work. You're able to place our stones any way that you'd like, no matter what the shape is, no matter what the curvature is looking like. You're able to go ahead and design the piece that you would need regardless of what the shapes are. Now we can go ahead and place our stone, one on each end, and now we have this great function within our pool tool called Offset Copy Edge, and you're able to go ahead and bring this in. Taking our stones, we're going to go ahead and create our chain. And what the chain tool does is that's going to create the layout of where you want your stones to be, and you're able to change any specifications depending on what it is that you're looking for. And as you can see, just like that, with the hit of preview and the hit OK, it automatically placed in those stones exactly where I needed to. I can round off any edges that I'd like without having to recreate profiles or anything of that matter. It automatically gets done for me. And that's some of the biggest features, some of the greatest tools that we are able to use. You don't have hundreds and thousands of parameters and buttons that you need to work with. Your most basic tools are your select, your pull, your move, and your fill tool. Anything other than that is just basic freeform hand in order to create the different shapes that you need. And again, we have our jewelry tab where you have your stones, your library pieces. You're able to resize stones, you're able to scale them. We have a report stone, so able to let you know exactly how many tools are used within this specific design, and then as well as process image and create curves. You can also insert text within this program as well. If you have any questions or for more information, feel free to give us a call, and our phone number here would be 818-396-3922. Again, that's 818-396-3922. You are also able to look at us and take a look at some of our stuff online, and that's www.3dspacebro.com. Again, that's www.3dspacebro.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.